how to start a business. Number one, you want to start with a business idea. So you have a business idea, but the next thing you want to do is think about how that fits into your lifestyle. How does this business work with my current lifestyle? Does it work? Will it require more work? Does it require me to be present in the business every day? I mean, like physically. Think about those things. If it is a lifestyle fit, the next thing you want to do is validate the business idea. The way to validate your business idea is to go on your public forum, either your audience, or you can send it to family and friends through email or text, and see if you are providing a solution to a problem. Depending on the feedback that you receive, you're going to either tweak the ideas or scrap it completely, or if it's something that is providing a solution, then you're going to move forward. The next thing you want to do when you move forward is you want to go to your local city registrar's office, not the Secretary of State, but your county. This is county based, because what you want to do is a doing business as, or DBA, fictitious name some counties call them. You want to search to see if your business name that you've come up with is taken already, right? Then you want to register your business. Depending on the county, I haven't seen more than $40. That's the max I've probably seen, is about $40. But it's going to depend on your state and county. So do your research. The next thing you want to do is market and price. You want to start to do your marketing, and you want to set up your pricing structure. So in order to do that, you have to be able to receive payments. You also need to be able to create promotional material for people to know that you are now in business. Now, the best way to do this is set up a merchant account. You can do that through PayPal or Stripe. There are also many others. Next, you want to use something like Canva, and there's other options. You want to use something like Canva to create promotional materials. And you do want to know what you're selling and how to communicate that to your audience. There's a lot more behind the actual branding, but this is just how to get started off the rip. When you create your promotional materials, what I would do is do a introductory rate to get at least 3 case studies where you're providing a service. You must do whatever the service or product, they must be good, right? Because what you need is social proof. You're offering an introductory rate or price in exchange for a testimonial, but the service you provide or the product must be up to par, because you want positive feedback. Social proof is necessary to gain trust of your audience. So you want to make sure that you're doing a great job. You're going to then take those testimonials and put them inside of your Canva and create another promo that talks about your reviews. It's not a sale. You want to showcase the benefits and features of working with you, that the people will get the solution that they're looking for their problem. You need to post on socials. It is free. There is a paid version, but you are using the free version. Once you master your free marketing on social media, then you can optimize it with paid ads. So what we have is a business idea, which we made sure fit into our lifestyle. Then we validated the business idea, made adjustments, or ran with the great feedback. Then we registered our business, a DBA, because it's a low cost. And if we decide to change our mind, it's easy to let go and move forward. Next, we set up our marketing and our pricing. Part of that marketing is promotional. We got social proof because we set up promotional posts to get testimonials for a introductory rate. After we got our testimonials, we then created content to engage our audience and let them know that what we say we can do, we do it well. You found a problem by validating it, and your business was a solution to a problem. If your business, whether that's a product or a service, is not a solution to a problem, you will have an issue finding an audience that is fit for your business idea. So I hope this helps. Drop me any comments. I will be glad to help you market further. Let's go.